Those
All
are
right.
called illegal. Wait,
Jose,
Nina.
can you get that one, Alina?
It doesn't want to save.
Wants to do this one?
Bro, no way. I just recorded that for it not to save.
Alina, want to do this one?
Yeah, this is the one that we're doing. Then we're doing the grand finales.
Alright. They call us
Which one?
This one.
Oh, can I light it up?
That's the
Yeah.
grand finale?
No.
It kind of looks like a firework from the purge.
Where does it want to light?
Alina wanted to light it.
What if I send it to
Right, guys, this is Centennial Fountain. I think this one was their 100th anniversary. Just 3 more, pa, and then we go meet, and then we go to sleep.
Well, actually, like 2 more.
But then that's with the crackling buzz, but we'll do all those real quick.
I think we can save it. Okay, let's do it.
All right.
Let's figure that out.
Okay, the punk. Go. Do the punk.
Sir?
You can.
Even if it's just send me the video. You took your video, right? No. Ya se acabó. The grand
Alright, it's grand
These two?
finale. Yeah, those 2 are left. Oh, great, which one? Hard hat?
This one, yeah.
Alright.
This one first.
Alright. Can I light that one up?
Yeah, I like the final one.
Alright. And that one, don't forget, take video on it if you can.
Boy, I have no storage.
Oh, you don't?
Oh, I'll take it on your phone.
Alright.
But drown it.
Right now when we do it.
That's what you get when you have a knife.
I know.
Girl, I know. You have no storage either, Nina.
I do. No, you don't. I do.
You were complaining the other day.
Because what about my phone? I can put it next to my phone.
Oh, shit, I'm gonna get an SD card. Oh, no.
This is hard hat.
Is that for construction?
Yeah. Is it done? I know. Alright. And then the biggest one of them all.
I'm lighting that one up.
Alright. Hey, hold up. Remember the video on my phone?
You record it, cause I'm gonna light it up.
Oh.
Okay, then. Can I light it up?
Wait.
Yeah, the paper. Oh no, I don't want to rip it.
Yeah.
Be careful. Pink.
Girl.
Pink Eyes by TNT Fireworks.
Again. That was not supposed to.
Wait, Chipper, wait.
Why is it upside down?
Bro, it popped from the bottom.
Oh, well, that's definitely dead. Well,
I wonder what happened.
That feels like freaking onion rings.
onion.
Alright, I recorded it, Alina. I'll send it to you.
That's it for today.
Alright, guys, that's it for the 4th of July firework vlog for 2023. I hope you guys enjoyed. These were some great fireworks. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Happy 4th.